plasma alien is a creature of which dimension? First opinion, if the solid state of matter is considered as 3 dimensions, water or liquid state as 4 dimensions, air or gaseous state as 5 dimensions, then this plasma alien is a 6-dimensional creature. Second opinion, if the solid state, liquid state and gaseous state of matter are 3 dimensions, then the plasma alien is a 4-dimensional creature. The atomic structure of their bodies is also 4-dimensional. The time dimension with plasma aliens. The plasma alien cannot go forward or backward in time at will. In the case of plasma aliens, the normal laws of time are bound to guide their lives. High-density powerful plasma aliens and any 3-dimensional beings can be in the same location at the same time. Human body systems are made up of different types of atoms, so human body systems can be called atomic systems. But the body systems of plasma aliens are made up of different particles, so the body systems of plasma aliens can be called particle systems. Or the plasma alien's body has a different atomic structure and different body cell structure. Note, the body cells of plasma aliens are composed of similar 4-dimensional atoms like oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Some basic questions. First question, how can plasma alien animals with a volume equivalent to 1 milliliter to 2 liters of water move? Concept. I have seen plasma aliens occupying the space equivalent of 2 liters of water at most. How small and how large they are is a matter of research. What is the volume of a plasma alien child with a volume equal to the maximum of 2 liters of water? For example, in the case of humans, a woman weighing 40 to 80 kilograms gives birth to a child whose weight is approximately 3 to 5 kilograms. Second question, plasma alien, what kind of food does eat survived? Concept, maybe 4-dimensional objects made of different types of subatomic particles and they sustain life by eat energy. For example, by consuming the atomic particles, energy and products that are produced during the chemical reactions of light, heat, flame, by consuming the atomic particles and energy that are produced before and after decomposition of decaying matter, and by consuming the atomic particles and energy that come out of the stool and urine. It comes from human-eated food, when people eat the atomic particles and energy released after cooking various foods. By eating the atomic particles and energy that come out of fresh fruits, vegetables, etc., by eating the atomic particles and energy that come out of rotten fruits, vegetables, etc., by eating the atomic particles and energy that come out of dirty and rotten smelly places. We eat many kinds of food. When those foods are made at this time, 3-dimensional food and 4-dimensional food are produced together. Whether it is fruit or cooked food, 3-dimensional food and 4-dimensional food are created together. Third question, can plasma aliens penetrate through solids and get to the other side? Concept, plasma aliens have not been seen to penetrate solid matter. However, when the plasma alien was stationary 3 feet above the floor of the room, a human walked across it without stopping, despite being positioned mid-stomach. It was also seen through IR and floodlight when positioned in the mid-abdomen. Fourth question, why can't we hear the sound that plasma aliens make when they move? We hear the sounds of the plasma aliens moving and their conversations. But we cannot understand. If the IP camera has the ability to capture sound below 20 Hz well at a distance of more than 30 feet, you can hear them talking and moving. However, the sounds of their movements, spoken words, and different types of sounds made by them should be separated from the recorded sounds. Fifth question, why do plasma aliens prefer dark or low light areas? Hypothesis. Too many light particles probably cause them to have difficulty seeing. Sixth question, why plasma aliens cannot withstand intense light and heat? Concept, observations have shown that plasma aliens have similar light and heat tolerances to humans. But their body temperature is lower than human body temperature. Seventh question, is it possible to see roughly through what kind of light rays when plasma aliens are compressed? I was able to see through IR and with a floodlight. But when I turn on the floodlight on my IP camera, it automatically produces purple and bluish colors in the middle of the floodlight. Note, if the color of the room and the background color are either white or bright, the IP camera cannot capture these animals well, because their bodies are transparent. Eighth question, when and where is the power of plasma aliens less than human? Concept, they seem to have less ability to influence inanimate objects than humans. They can't penetrate solid matter unhindered but can penetrate somewhat and pass through solid matter unhindered easily to the other side. Ninth question, can plasma aliens make people's lives unstable? Concept, yes. Plasma aliens can make people's lives unstable. They can make people's lives unstable by making special sounds, by entering the body and causing constant disturbance, by hitting the body with special techniques. 10th question, when and in what cases are plasma aliens afraid of people? Concept: I saw the plasma aliens go out of the room through the door window. When people move or run more in the room, make more loud noises in the room, increase the intensity of light in the room, hit any clothes or anything anywhere in the room, when the speaker play louder. When people move more in the room, they stay in the room walls, ceiling, under the bed and behind various furniture. It is 100% proven. 11th question: what is the body temperature of the plasma alien? How many degrees up to the temperature they can withstand? Concept: the plasma alien's normal body temperature seems to be lower than the normal human body temperature. 12th question: how can the plasma alien fly in the sky with its transparent and flexible body? Answer: I don't know. 13th question: how are the organs of the body of the plasma alien? Concept: plasma aliens are much smaller creatures than humans. Therefore, IP cameras cannot capture reflex images due to the small size of their hands, feet, and wings. But their hands and feet are like spiders. 14th question: why is it not possible for humans to see the whole body of the plasma alien? Concept: plasma aliens are not fully visible to humans because their bodies are made up of transparent atomic particles. 15th question: we know what characteristics animals made of soil can have. But what are the characteristics of animals made of water? What are the characteristics of animals made of air or gaseous substances? What are the characteristics of animals created by fire? What are the characteristics of animals made by light particles? What are the characteristics of animals made by different energies? What are the characteristics of animals made of different types of subatomic particles? What are the characteristics of an organism made up of only one type of particle or quark? 16th question: what kind of reaction or instability can occur in people if many plasma aliens are scattered together inside the house? Answer: I have seen instability in people in such a situation. 17th question: how does the plasma alien get hurt and deal with it? Concept: they are injured when hit by hard objects. In this case, it seems that some of the free energy/particle plasma hit the alien and resulted in injury. If free energy and particles enter their bodies, they can easily separate them from the body. Then they can bring the body back to its normal state. 18th question: do plasma aliens have hearts, eyes, ears, noses, mouths, hands, feet, feelings, etc. like humans? Concept: plasma aliens have human-like hearts, eyes, ears, noses, mouths, hands, feet, senses, etc. 19th question: what is the sound when the plasma alien moves? Concept: plasma aliens make noise when they move. The sound recorded by the microphone of the IP camera. By hearing some sounds inside it, it is easy to understand which sound of the plasma alien moving and which is sound of talking. 20th question: at what time are plasma aliens most visible in people's bedrooms? The details answer of this question will be given later. 21st question: when and where do plasma aliens sleep? Answer: I have seen them sleep at the same time as humans sleep. I have seen them stay silent for a long time on the walls of dark rooms, under the ceiling, and various furniture inside the room, under the bed, etc. Even if you turn on the light of the IP camera while sleeping, they remain silent. Also, if you see different types of silent behavior while sleeping, you can guess that they are sleeping. 22nd question: can we directly hear the speech and movement of plasma aliens? Answer: yes. We can hear plasma aliens' conversation and movement. By listening to the recorded sound in the IP camera, it is easy to guess which is the sound of their conversation and movement. 23rd question: why is the body of the plasma alien very flexible? Answer: it is natural that the body of a creature made of any kind of plasma must be flexible. 24th question: can plasma aliens assume different shapes? Answer: it is natural that plasma aliens can assume different shapes, but cannot change the main shape. 25th question: what thing plasma alien is most afraid of? Answer: they were found to be most afraid of fast-moving objects and fire. I have observed many answers to the above type of questions. The research results will be published later. 26th question: is plasma alien an intelligent creature? Answer: I have 100% proof that plasma aliens are intelligent beings. There is no doubt. I will describe some situations of how I observed more or less the floodlight of the IP camera in my dark room. See intelligent animal behavior in plasma-shaped objects. If you turn on the floodlight of the IP camera, you will see them hiding in different places of the room. Sometimes you will see more plasma, sometimes a single white plasma. However, you can see them more from dusk to midnight, from before sunrise to shortly after sunrise in the morning. You will see more in dark damp rooms, dark toilets, abandoned houses, etc. When these white plasmas are flying in compression, you can easily see them faintly or clearly through the floodlight of an IP camera. You can no longer see white plasma-like objects when they fly and cling to an inanimate structure or an object or wall. Because this plasma alien is a creature made of four-dimensional atoms with different characteristics by subatomic particles. When they fly in the air, their bodies are often compressed so that they can fly easily, so they can be seen clearly under the flashlight of an IP camera in a dark room. They become more pronounced when they are more compressed. And when they merge with an object or wall and stay there, we no longer see. The reason for this is that they extend their body and grab something like a spider or an octopus and stay there. Through the flashlight of the camera, you can see many types of objects such as dust, water vapor, insects, mosquitoes, spider webs, etc. Please do not try to dismiss our analysis and proven facts by looking at those objects. If you want full proof, you must monitor with 355/360 degree moving full color IP camera with floodlight. I will try to describe some of how to observe.